Hello there everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to create your own opening and closing start menu in Roblox Studio, so let's get started. First thing you want to do is go to Started GUI and add in a screen GUI, and name this screen GUI just something like Open GUI, just something simple along those lines. And in there you want to add a frame, and then set this size to 1, 0, 1, 0. As well as going to your GUI and making sure it has Ignore GUI Inset ticked to make sure that it covers the entire screen. Then what you can do is you can simply change the colour of this if you really want to. I'll just make it this nice little blue. Then in there you can add in a text button. You make that text button as big or as small as you want. I'd probably make it about this big myself. And then you can just keep it how it's named. And then you can go to text. You could scale text and just make it say play. And then you can go to add button on the text button and search up stroke. This is all just design. And then make it just have as much stroke as you seriously want it to. And I guess you can make the background colour green on this. I'd say like this, kind of like nice green sort of. Or like that. Then you can make the text colour. Do something more of a white. Then if you want you can mess around with font. So I'd use like a bold Fredoka one. Personally. So we can have that. And maybe if I make the stroke just a bit larger. Something I'd say a bit like this. So it just basically covers all the holes. Then in the text button, just to make it look cleaner, you could probably add a UI corner. In here, set the UI corner to around 100. If you want to mess around with that, you really can. And then you can also mess around with these if you want to make it like milter, bevel, round. I'd keep it as round. It doesn't really seem to change much. You can mess around with the border. If you prefer it as a border, then you could add 2 of them. In fact, that's like what I might do. Control D to duplicate and then add one for a border. Like that. And then what we can do is inside the text button, add in a local script. This is where the actual scripting part comes. So you could probably name this something like play script if you seriously want to. Then all you want to type is local tween server equals game : get service tween service. Then script dot parent dot mouse button 1 down connect function and then bracket click. Then get rid of this second bracket. Local frame equals script dot parent. So that'll be local frame, which is our script dot parent. Local button equals script dot parent. Now instead of using script dot parent or script dot parent each time, we can just use frame or button. So now it knows what button means. Then we can do local tween info equals tween info dot new. Then you can make like a nice little table. You can do like 0.5 comma enum dot easing style dot quad enum dot easing direction dot out. Then you can do 0 comma false comma then 2.1. No need for a comma there. Oh, sorry, and you also need a comma on the first one as well. The first in direction, I just forgot to put that there, sorry. You want local end position, or just end pos, equals udim2 dot new 0.5 comma 0 comma 0.5 comma 0. Do local end size equals udim2 dot new 0, 0, 0, comma 0. Basically just making it non-existent. Equals tween frame pos equals tween server on create frame comma tween info comma and then the pointy braces position equals end position or end pos. Then we can just copy them, but instead make it say tween frame size and then put end size. Then we can paste it again, but do tween button pos, or sorry, no, tween button size equals tween server frame size equals end size. And it's as simple as that, actually. Then you want to do tween frame pos colon play. Then you can just copy and paste this line a few times. Twice, actually. Then you want to do tween frame size. Then tween button size. Then you want to do tween dot frame position. No, sorry, tween frame pos dot completed colon connect function frame dot visible equals false. So, and if you couldn't catch up, then that is the full script. If you want to, you can just check over it quickly. And then now, if you click play, as you can see, it sort of does an animation. And this works each time, and you can't just constantly click it in the middle of the screen. So if we center it and just sort of like try that, no, it won't completely play the animation. The button is completely invisible now. So if you enjoyed this video, I'd recommend you like and subscribe to get more studio tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.